Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Violet color, orange color. This is pink color and this is red color, black color, sky blue color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, light green color, purple color and green color. किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे ए बी सी ए E to L. Let's trace A. A for apple. This is letter B. B. B for ball. Letter C. C. C for cat. This is letter D. D. D for dinosaur. Kids, this is letter E. E. E for elephant. This is letter F. F. F for fish. Kids, this is letter G. G. G for gorilla. And this is letter H. H. H for horse. Letter I. I for ice cream. Letter J. J for jaguar. Letter K. K for kangaroo. Letter L. L for lion. Kids, we are writing letter A. Now we are writing letter B. B. This is letter C. C. Now we are writing letter D. D. This is letter E. E. This is letter F. F. Kids, we are writing letter H. This is letter I. Letter J. This is letter K. Kids, this is letter L. Read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. E for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.